Hello everyone, it's Colette, and for day 6 in the 12 Days of Christmas Nail Art, we're going to be working on this poinsettia design. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that I'm going to be using today are from Zoya. The white is Purity. The white shimmer is Janessa. The lighter red is Elisa. The darker red is Ilsa. The green is Holly. And the gold is Carrie. I have my usual small lid that I'm going to use to put out some polish, and I'm going to start by sketching out and then filling in the flower design with the lighter red. Then I'm going to add in some leaves with the green, outline the flower in the darker red, and then a little bit of gold in the center. I did a little bit of cleanup and now I'm going to finish everything off with the top coat. As usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and although it's really easy for me to nitpick my freehand art, I'm pretty pleased with how this turned out. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this as well as day 5, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. Or if you'd like to hang out live, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. And if you'd like to support my creation here on YouTube, feel free to join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.